Hey everyone, I am going to show you how to do your reading assignment for today. We are doing running records on Raz Kids, and we do this a lot in class, in normal school. So we're going to do one over distance learning, but I'm going to show you how to do it because I know it's been a while since we've done this. So it will be under your flight check assignment under your reading. However, once you log in to reading onto Raz Kids, this should be the first thing that you see. So you're going to go ahead and click it.
It will take up to 15 minutes to complete all 3 steps of this assignment. If you do not have time to complete the assignment, stop now and come back to the computer later.
Okay, so it just told me it'll take about 15 minutes. I'm going to say yes, I have time to do that. And once I click yes, it's recording me read. So I'm going to read The Rainbow Fence. And then I'm going to go ahead and read this whole passage. Okay, so this is not necessarily the one that you'll see, is just an example, but I'm going to read the whole thing out loud. Okay, it's not in my head. I'm reading it out loud so that Miss Stadenrouse can hear it when I send it back to her. So when I'm done reading it, I'm going to take my time. If there's words you don't know, sound them out as always. I'm going to press done.
Retell in your own words what you just read. Tell as much as you can remember. Click record to begin.
So here is the retelling part. So once I click on this, it's now recording me talking. And I'm going to record myself retelling the story. The beginning, the middle, the end, what do I remember happened, what was some information that I read about in that passage. If it was fiction, there were probably some characters and a setting involved. If it was nonfiction or informational, there was probably some information or some facts that I was told. What was it mostly about? What was the main idea? What were the details? So try to talk for about 30 seconds to a full minute about retelling what you remember about that passage. When you're done with that, you're going to hit pause, and then you're going to go over here and press done. Okay, and now you have a quiz. So as always, there's 4 different choices. You're going to pick which one is the most correct answer. You're going to do that for all 5 of these. You're going to press your answer. So once you press it, it's red. So that means that that's the one you select. And then once you are done, you will just press this button over here that says done, and you will be all good to go.